I have three phases coming from the shore power, because this boat is three-phase, Drew. It's phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. That's okay? Three phases enter here. The neutral enter in the pan constantly to the neutral bus bar. And the ground enter in the pan directly into the ground bus bar. Here I control only the breakers for the hot lines. That's clear? I have hot, hot, and hot. Look at this. I have in this distribution the first breaker, three-phase. The second breaker, double phase. The bottom breaker, single phase. Everybody follow me? Three-phase, double phase, single phase. Because with this one, I am going to activate three-phase equipment. With this one, double-phase equipment, like the dishwasher, the refrigerator, the majority of the air conditioning equipment, double phase. Single phase, lights, blower, radio, music, yeah? Single phase. Good? The neutral will be used only with the single-phase breakers. The double-phase breakers and the three-phase breakers, the reference is ground. Hot, 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 and ground. Or hot, hot, ground. They don't use neutral. Neutral is only used in single-phase outlet. Everybody follow me? Okay. In this particular case, with this breaker, three-phase breaker, I am going to activate my contactors. When I activate this one, I send power phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 to the three contactors. And I receive phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and those two phases are switched in the second one. That's okay? Great. And now pay attention. I want to activate those contactors right now with AC signal. With AC signal. Okay. I need here a signal. That signal should be single phase, double phase, or three phase. The activation here. Single phase. I don't need three phase. I need single. Okay. If it's single, is hot and neutral. Hot and neutral because it's single. Okay. I am going to activate here from this one. From this one. I am going to bring the signal for the middle of my switches. It's hot. It's line 1. You see? It's hot. It's hot. And I am going to send hot here. It's hot 1. And I am going to send hot here. And the other one is neutral, and the other one is neutral and will be connected here to the neutral bus bar. That's clear, guys? When I press this one, I activate this breaker, hot and neutral. When I press this one, I activate this breaker, hot and neutral. And now I have reversible motors with contactors with AC signal. What is the name of this element in the middle, guys? Inner lock. Inner lock. The inner lock. This is with AC signal.